In this guide, we are going over how you can get exclusive plasma wings here in Roblox for free. This is a completely exclusive item, and you can only get it through this method, and it is free if you do it in a certain way. And don't worry, this is not going to include any hacks, any mods, and it doesn't include any sketchy third-party websites as well. This method is going to fully follow YouTube's terms of service and Roblox's terms of service as well. Before we do get started, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But here's how this works. No matter which device you're on, go ahead and open up a web browser. I'm using Google Chrome for this, but you can obviously do this in any browser. And what you're going to want to search for is Microsoft Rewards. Go ahead and hit enter and go to the first website right here and sign in with your Microsoft account up in the very top. After doing so, go ahead and select go to dashboard. Now, if you scroll down a little bit on this tab, you can see a bunch of different quests. This is going to be what you're going to want to do, and these come on here every single day. It's going to include stuff like quizzes, polls, searches, daily sets, and daily tasks are all going to give you a certain amount of points. The key here is obviously consistency. These points stack up extremely quickly when you do this every single day. But once you do have enough points saved up, essentially go ahead and select redeem right up at the top. And then in this little search bar over here, type in Roblox and you're going to see an option for Roblox exclusive item Plasma Wings. Select this, and then as you can see, it does cost 10,000 points, but this is what it's going to look like right here if you want to go ahead and just get an idea of what these wings actually do look like. They're pretty interesting in my opinion. But essentially keep doing these quests until you have 10,000 points and then redeem these plasma wings. Now these are completely exclusive and this is going to expire on the 31st of next year, the 26th of next year, which is 2026. So keep that in mind. After that date, these are going to be extremely rare and you could probably sell these for a hefty amount of Robux. But once you redeem them, you'll get a code. And then after that, all you have to do is actually just head back to roblox.com/home and delete the /home section and just type in redeem right here and type in that code right here and they'll appear on your account. But that is it. This is by far the best way to get the plasma wings for free here in Roblox. And it's completely legit using Microsoft Rewards, meaning no hacking, no violating terms of service, and it's the official method that Microsoft does let you use. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.